guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Your food storage is about to get a major upgrade. I want to show you these awesome containers from GENICOOK. This is a set of 5 food storage containers and they each hold about 22 ounces. And there are so many things that I love about these, but first of all, I love that they are glass. So they are super durable. It's made from a really high quality glass and it has this silicone sleeve to it. So you don't feel like this is gonna break easily because you have that protection. These are microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe. So that is awesome. And they are the perfect size. So I love to use these for food prep. I love that they're all the same size as well. So that makes portioning things out very easy. They're also great to just toss your leftovers in or maybe to pack your lunch in. I love that there's a little vent so you can vent it when you are microwaving your food. These have an airtight seal so your food is gonna stay super, super fresh, and it is even leak proof. So I have some water in this one, and you can see that there are no leaks at all. So I love that these are glass and the silicone, so these are environmentally friendly, they're reusable, and I like that there are no plastic chemicals that are gonna get into your food when you're using these. So these are just a really great option for food storage. So not only are these adorable, they're stackable, they match and are all the same size, and they do an awesome job of keeping your food not only fresh, but also in the container and not leaking everywhere. These are a fantastic addition to any kitchen, and that is my point of view.